Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix WhatsApp web loading your chat problem on your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing WhatsApp web loading your chat problem while trying to use your WhatsApp web on your PC or laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser. In this, you just need to click on this three dot, click on settings, click on privacy and security, scroll down a little bit, you can see here site setting. After clicking privacy and security, you can see here third party cookies, just click on that, scroll down a little bit, you can see here see all site data and permission, just click on that. In this, you just need to find your WhatsApp. After finding the WhatsApp, just click on this delete icon. After that, just tap on clear and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp web loading your chat problem on your Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.